Hydro Tek diesel powered hot water pressure washer. Going out to a company in the Panama Canal area. Doing a lot of commercial industrial cleaning. Nice compact flatbed setup, little extra storage. 2 high pressure hose reels, a chemical hose reel and an inlet hose reel for water supply on the back. Electric reel, they're on the passenger side. On the driver's side are manual reels just for chemical and inlet hose. You can contact me at 1-800-731-7789, or my direct cell phone is 954-778-4386. My email is sales@ices.net. The website is www.ices.net. Give you a quick walk around the truck here. Sorry about the bouncing around. Another satisfied customer.